Hi, I've been having problems with my ABS on my 2005 Chrysler Grand Voyager, and I'd just like to share with you what I found. Both my traction control off light is on, my parking brake light is on, and my ABS light won't go off. I've got my handbrake off, my brake fluid levels are topped up and all okay, and I'll now go down to the wheels to show you what I found there. Okay, what I've done, up the top here we've got the connector block for the ABS sensor. Can't really see it very well, there we go. And I'm just back probing into one of the two wires. This is the one, it's green and purple on the right hand side, and what we're getting on that is about 11 volts. There we go, 11 volts. So if I now take it out and go onto the other wire, I'll show you what we've got there. Okay, on the other wire, what we've got is about 0.87 volts DC. If we just rotate the wheel hub a very small amount now, that goes up to 1.6 volts DC. If you rotate it a tiny bit more, that'll drop back down, and that'll just continue doing that. The output from this sensor on that wire is a square wave. You can't test these sensors with your meter set to ohms or set to AC volts as you can on many vehicles. So we'll now go around to the other side. Okay, as before, we have 11 volts on the supply feed wire for the sensor, and the output at the moment is 0.8, same as the other side. However, if we rotate this one, we don't get the 1.6 volts from the sensor. I have removed both of the sensors and just given them a bit of a clean and put some anti-seize compound back on the bolt before refitting it, but that's made no difference to this side's output. Okay, we're under the rear now. The sensor on the rear is actually built in with the hub, so if we follow the wiring back above the rear axle, there's one connector here and one connector there underneath, or above, sorry, the heat shield, and I've just tested it. It works exactly the same as the front, so alternating between 0.8 and 1.6 volts, sorry, and the back are all okay on here by the looks of it, so I definitely have a fault with the near side front.